Hi foodies, I made these delicious whiskey ginger chicken wings. They're inspired by one of my drinks that I like, whiskey ginger. Let's get into it. So this is pretty simple, guys. I have my cleaned chicken wings here, skin on of course, and then I'm gonna add some ginger powder because we want to get that ginger flavor in there, right? So add some ginger powder, and we're gonna go in with some chicken seasoning. Use your favorite chicken seasoning or seasoned salt. Then I'll add some paprika, and I'm gonna go in with some garlic powder. All right, depending on the salt content of your chicken seasoning, you might or might not need salt. Okay, I'm gonna be using a little black pepper and some salt, just a little salt. Then just rub everything together. Use your clean hands or use your gloves. Get that in there, and then we'll make the sauce. Now let's make that sauce. I have oil in the pan. I'm adding my garlic and ginger. Stir that around until it's fragrant and don't brown it, okay? Then add that whiskey, and then I'm gonna stir the whiskey around for maybe 45 seconds. It's a small batch. I don't need to reduce this for a long time, okay? So about 45 seconds over medium heat, just the same. And then we are going to be adding our other ingredients. If you're making a big batch, then you might need to reduce your whiskey a little longer, okay? So add some lemon juice. Then we'll go in with our Canada Dry. This is my ginger ale, okay? Then let's go in with some brown sugar. Then I'm gonna add some soy sauce. That's gonna give saltiness, gonna give a little flavor, some color, and then I'll add some honey as well. Now we want to thicken this up, so we're adding a slurry of cornstarch and water. You're gonna add this a little at a time because you don't want it to lump up, okay? So just stir in a little at a time. If you want your sauce runny, then you'll only need a little, but then keep adding it if you want it on the thicker side. Keep whisking very quickly so it doesn't lump up on you, okay? Now I want this sauce to have just another little kick of that whiskey, so I'm going to add some in the end, okay? Just a splash or two, all right? And then stir that in for a few seconds, give it a taste, and once you like it, then you are good to go. Now for the wings, guys, we're going to be coating them in my cornflakes and flour mixture. I used this in my previous crispy cornflakes chicken wings video. So it's the same thing with the cornflakes crushed and then mixed with flour. And then this right here is some egg and milk beaten together. Okay, you can add hot sauce to that if you want to. It's pretty simple. We are going to coat the seasoned chicken wings in the egg and milk mixture and then dip it in the cornflakes and flour mixture. That is it. And then we're gonna fry these up. Make sure that you press that coating into the that dry coating mixture into the chicken wings, okay? Once everything is coated, shake off the excess coating, and then I'm going to be deep frying these at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. That's it. Then look at these gorgeous wings, really nice and crispy, beautiful coating. Let's add that sauce. You can drizzle on as much as you want, and then we're just gonna toss them in the bowl, okay? You can always double up on the whiskey sauce recipe if you want a lot more sauce. And that's it. Really simple whiskey ginger chicken wings. You get a kick of whiskey and ginger. Really, really delicious, and the coating holds up to that sauce. Really great. Give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.